Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my tutorial. Today I am going to share a new learning about the uses of AND function with if function. In our previous tutorial we have seen the uses of AND function only, and today we are going to learn the combined effect of AND function with if function. If function has three parts: logical test, value if true, value if false. AND function takes the place of logical test. If function lets you specify the return values, and if function returns yes or no. So let's try with an example. Here you can see that name type 1 is speed, fire type and more than 70 speed. The question is the fire type fire and which has speed more than 70, and we have to find out which option meet up the both conditions. That what is and we select fire type, right? Fire type, then means type column p2 equal double quotation. We are going to find the type fire, right? So comma, then we have the second condition, more than 70 speed. So speed column is C greater than 7 bracket close, comma. We have if function. So if the formula, so if this row meet up the condition, then we have result yes, otherwise no. So now we drag the formula and you see the result yes. So you see that this speed, this type fire type having speed 85 and 100, so type fire and having more than speed 70. So this is the result actually, and rest of the types didn't meet up the condition and having the result. In this way we can use AND function with if function.